Friends, I'm your friend Rani Subramanian. Once again, welcome back to Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. I hope all are safe and doing great. Today also brought for you the exclusive varieties from the silk segment. If I talk about this collections are especially Banarasi varieties. Banarasi is a pure traditional royal rich look collections for the wedding, for the pre-wedding, for the haldi function, family events. Everyone likes and demands for the functional wear, even the party wear collections. For this summer special varieties, I brought for you the from Banarasi segment only digital come stonework sarees. This collections, if I talk about the high range value, which starts from 1,000 rupees and highest price is in factory price 3,000 rupees. Keep watching this video. Retailers, dealers, wholesalers, businesswomen, entrepreneurs, boutique varieties, retailers. So add these collections into your business to make your customers happy and to have a huge profitable business. So subscribe the channel, see what the options, pan India worldwide. We have a transport shipping. No need to worry. Just share the link with the clothing business people who are really interested to start a sari business. And the beautiful varieties, I have a saris over here. Every pretty single saris I'm going to show you. So every pattern you will have a one photocopy. The first pattern of the sari, if I talk about fancy Raghu silk saris. Fancy Raghu silk saris. The beautiful photocopy over here. The sari which is I'm going to show you. I'm talking to the executive who gives the stock. Every sari and number of collections are there. Every sari should be folded and kept in the counter, and it won't give you the actual finishing structure, right? So that's where I was coordinating with my staff, like I can open the sari. So every beautiful saris are beautiful with Swarovski stonework pattern. You have a beautiful pallu over here, and with the digital based, the Rani magenta color with a beautiful unique design you can see with the border Swarovski stonework pattern. If I talk about the next pattern, this is the sari over here, and the next sari which is beautiful, very pretty, the lavender color shade, lavender shade with the two-tone shade of kalamkari border, and with the magenta color with the pretty with the silver stone finishing with the two-tone shade of the sari. And this sari which is a pallu, it goes like this. This is a pallu color combination. The sari which looks beautiful, which is fancy Trisha silk sari. In this also you have a beautiful latest collection. If I talk about the next sari, which is very royal and traditional base, which is orange color with the bottle green color combination, very pretty, beautiful two-tone shade with a traditional look, which is fancy motichur silk. I remember motichur laddu, which is orange color, right? So orange color, the same sari, which is a beautiful pattern. Here see the beautiful color shade of traditional look. This is the photocopy. All these exclusive varieties are very grand royal look for the wedding collections, functional wear, the evening parties. So one more sari which is a military green with a dark green color combination. This is also kalamkari base with the border with a two-tone shade. So every single sari with the beautiful heavy pallu you can see here with the photocopy, which is fancy charu silk. So in this also you have a beautiful color options. If I talk about the next sari, matte look finishing with a silver stone finishing of the sari, which is a beautiful lavender shade with the traditional silver finishing, matte look finishing of the matte look golden stone with a fancy tassel with a silver butta. This is also one of the Banarasi royal silk variety. If I show the photocopy will be dark lavender. You can see here. These are all exclusive new collections which is manufactured by Kesaria Textile, which is located at Surat City Ring Road, Millennium Textile Building. First floor, morning 9:30 to 8:30 shop will be open. In this you have a very royal exclusive collection, sari, lehenga, kurti, silk, cotton, lehengas, boutique varieties like crop top, sharara, garara, kids collections, dupattas, bottom varieties, all exclusive collections you can purchase. And the next sari, which is one of the light Rama green color shade with the Rani color, beautiful heavy pallu with the traditional base with this, which is fancy motichur silk. In this also you have a beautiful collections of Banarasi Swarovski stonework pattern. Friends, I have showed you the beautiful traditional base kalamkari, mini silver butta, and again kalamkari royal rich look border, heavy border, traditional base with orange with rama green shade, rani color with beautiful heavy exclusive pallu. These are all boutique royal showroom varieties which you can have a huge multi profitable business. You can see a margin in the retailers. So if you want to add into your business before getting out of stock, quickly you can do online shopping from your home. Pan India, we do have a COD options, no quality compromise, no quantity compromise. So to have a good quality and quantity of the collections with the color chart, with the catalog, with the non-catalog, with low range collections, with high range collections, with multiple varieties, sizes, everything. If you want to have this all benefits, you have to tie up with the right manufacturer. When Surat is known for the diamond city as well, it is known for the textile market also. So hope you enjoyed this Banarasi exclusive Swarovski stonework sarees collections. So let me in the comment box from which collections you liked it and from which city you're watching the video. Keep supporting me. So quickly add into your business. Order these collections, enjoy, make your customers happy. Subscribe the channel. Please share the link with friends, relatives, with everyone. Keep supporting me. Next video will come up with new more business informations with new more collections. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.